I've been making this recipe for so long. It's honestly a no-brainer for me now. Quick, easy, and always satisfying. Every time I serve it, everyone asks for seconds. Let's get this delicious recipe started. First, we need boneless, skinless chicken breasts. These will be the base of our dish. Now for seasoning. Salt. Then, add some freshly ground black pepper, followed by a teaspoon of garlic powder. And finally, sprinkle in some paprika. This simple mix gives incredible flavor. Next, we prepare the coating. Eggs. You'll also need a bowl of breadcrumbs. Dip the chicken into the egg, then coat with breadcrumbs. Now, here comes the absolute magic part. Olive oil in a skillet. Sear the chicken until golden on both sides. We're not fully cooking it yet, just getting that crispy crust. Once the chicken is beautifully golden. In part 2, we'll add the creamy topping and bake it to perfection. Chicken. First, let's prepare the topping. Start with mayonnaise. Next, add some fresh minced garlic and a generous amount of Parmesan cheese. Mix everything together until it is smooth and creamy. Spread this mixture generously over each chicken piece. This keeps the chicken juicy and flavorful. Now add shredded mozzarella cheese, because more cheese is always better. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit or 190 degrees Celsius. Bake for about 20 to 25 minutes until the cheese is melted and bubbly. Final touch. Sprinkle fresh parsley on top. Look at that. Golden and incredibly cheesy. And it is perfectly juicy inside. Trust me, this recipe honestly never disappoints. If you love simple comfort food like this, don't forget to follow for more easy recipes. See you in the next one.